Hello, my name is Joseph Useri. I'm an attorney with Orton Cavanagh and Home. In our current situation with COVID-19 and Colorado's statewide stay-at-home order, many of you as HOAs might have questions as to what constitutes an essential versus a non-essential employee. What employees can continue to go to work versus which employees need to stay home. This short video is an attempt to answer some of those questions. As a quick disclaimer, these are general guidelines. This is not intended to be legal advice to any particular individual. Our offices are still open, although we are working from home as required by the stay-at-home order. But feel free to reach out by telephone or email if you have any particular questions that apply specifically to your association. Finally, these guidelines are off of the second updated Public Health Order 2024, dated March 27th. If there's a new order that is issued after this recording is made, some of these guidelines might not be applicable. Now, your homeowners association. How do you decide which employees are essential, which employees can continue to go to work, and which employees need to stay home? Well, under the public health order, everyone is required to stay home unless they fall under one of the enumerated critical services. Now, critical services that may apply to homeowners associations tend to fall under one of three categories. The first category is construction or maintenance. Construction for homes is specifically exempted from the stay-at-home order, as well as maintenance for homes. For instance, if you have maintenance workers who do maintenance on electrical or plumbing or fixing doors or windows, those people are not subject to the stay-at-home order. The second main category that you might expect people to fall under for a homeowners association are security and safety personnel. If you have a security guard at the front door or a security gate for the community, those individuals can continue to go to work because that is considered a critical service. They are not required to stay at home. Now, the third main category that your employees most likely will fall under is custodial. It's particularly important during this time that common areas or areas that people are much likely to travel, for instance, stairs, doorways, entryways, things like that, need to be cleaned properly. And so custodial personnel are considered critical services and therefore can continue to go to work. Now, even if these people are still allowed to go to work, they do need to follow social distancing guidelines as much as physically possible, meaning avoiding physical contact with other individuals, maintaining a 6-foot distance at all times from other employees as well as other people who are in the neighborhood. Again, if someone is sick, they should stay home. Now, what if you don't fall under one of those three categories? Can you continue to work? Yes, but you need to stay home. There is a minor exception for maintaining minimum basic operations for a going concern. What are minimum basic operations? They are maintaining the inventory for a business, something that HOA probably doesn't have. Maintaining security, payroll, and benefits for the HOA. That is something that HOA may have. And so it's something that you can go into the office if you need to in order to do those services, as well as facilitating any work from home activities. The public health order does allow for travel to and from home in order to comply with the above requirements, meaning you can drive to work and drive home, but otherwise you do need to stay home according to these guidelines. I hope this was generally helpful. If you have any specific questions about your association or individual employees or services that you receive, feel free to contact our office. Again, that's Orton Cavanagh and Holmes, and we will be happy to help you with any of your legal needs. Have a nice day.